Hi everyone. Today we will be talking about all prepositions like in, over, on, between, under, by, at, and next to. Now let's learn one by one. First preposition is in. The ball is in the glass. In this sentence, in is a preposition. In is also used for time. For example, I was born in 2001. Another example is I am coming in July. Second preposition is on. For example, I go to gym on every Sunday. Similarly, we will meet on annual day. Another example is a ball is on the table. Next preposition is at. At is used for both place or time. For example, I am at home. In this example, home is a place, so that's why at is used for place. Whereas the next example is I eat lunch at 2 p.m. In this example, at is used for time. Next preposition is by. By is a versatile preposition which can be used in a number of situations. Here we use by as place, as method of transport, as method of communication, and as method of payment. Now let's talk about by as place. The meaning is beside or at the side of and next to or close to. For example, the house is by a river. Similarly, David lives by a train station. Now we talk about by as a method of transport. This structure describes how you travel somewhere. For example, I go to work by car. Similarly, she went to London by train. Next, we use by as a method of communication. This structure describes how you communicate with someone. For example, I will send you the letter by post. Another example is I spoke her by telephone. Next is by as a method of payment. This structure describes how you pay for something. For example, can I pay you by credit card? Another example is we pay for this computer by check. Next preposition is over. Let's talk about its example. He put the blanket over the sleeping child. Next preposition is under. Example is a ball is under the chair. Next preposition is between. The example is the ball is between chair and table. Last preposition is next to. The example of it, the bus is next to the tree. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe our channel. Stay blessed.